Crusaders, this Thursday, April 23rd, is testing day. That means you guys are either going to be taking the pre-ACT or an actual ACT test. These things can be stressful, so we put together some tips, tricks, in order for you to get the best score possible. Let's go take a look. First things first, it's the night before the test. You have to charge your Chromebook. This is what you're going to be taking the test on tomorrow. Also, your calculator, if it dies during the test, it can't be replaced. So charge it or make sure it has some good batteries. Next, pack enough fuel for tomorrow. A water bottle, a light snack, something that you can do during your break. Finally, most importantly, don't study the night before. You have to relax, do something that's chill, do something like a movie, go for a walk, do something that's going to keep you calm. Finally, set your alarm for enough time to get to school. And the absolute number one thing, get a good night's sleep. So, it's the morning of the test. Make sure you eat a good breakfast, something that's going to fill you up, okay? The next thing you need to do is read during breakfast. Not your phone, don't scroll. What you want to do is you want to get your brain activated. So read a book, a newspaper, something that's going to activate your brain. The next thing you need to do is make sure you leave your house in plenty of time. Yeah, I know you're taking it at Brother Rice. You're taking it at a place you're used to. But do you remember what room number you have to be in? Do you remember the teacher who's proctoring your test? Get here early. Finally, your cell phone, your smartwatch, you need to leave them in your car or at least often in your locker. You bring those into the testing room and they go off, your test will be disqualified. So, morning of the test, get here early, leave your stuff in the car, eat a good breakfast, and get your brain going. So, you're actually taking the test now. Don't stress. You've been preparing for this all year. You got this. When you are taking the test, make sure you focus on the section that you're on, not the one you took before it, not the one that's coming up. Focus on what's in front of you. The next thing is you need to answer all the questions. There's no penalty for guessing, so if you have to, guess. Finally, don't waste too much time on a question. Remember, these exams are timed. So if you can't get a question fairly quickly, stop, move on to the next one, and come back to that question, okay? It's over. You finished. Congratulations. The ACT is done. Amazing job. We are all so proud of you. Now you get to do something for you. Congratulate yourself. Do something that you enjoy doing. Enjoy the rest of your day off. Maybe even head up to Wrigley Field to see the Crusaders take on the Mount Carmel Caravan. Whatever it is you do it knowing that you did well, you tried your hardest, and that's what we want out of you. Congratulations, Crusaders.